Hi, thanks for watching my video. In this video, I want to show you how to create the 2D drafting by using coordinate system in AutoCAD. Okay, so by open our AutoCAD software, you can see over here this is UCS, User Coordination System. So by holding the scroll button of your mouse, you can drag this UCS to the center like this. Okay, now I want to create the circle over here by using the circle command. Press enter. I need to specify the center point, so I enter the coordinate 0, 0. Press enter. Okay, the radius I put 17.5. Press enter. Okay, you can zoom in the model space to magnify the circle. Okay, next I want to draw a circle at the first quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. At the first quadrant, by using the circle command, I put the coordinate 35, 35. Press enter. Okay, you can see at the first quadrant. Then for the radius, I put 17.5. Press enter. Okay, next I want to draw another circle on the second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So by just press enter, you can repeat the previous command. Then I put the coordinate for the second quadrant if negative 35, 35. Press enter. Then just press enter because we already set the default radius is 17.5. Okay, next to the third quadrant. Okay, by using the same command, I put coordinate negative 35, negative 35. Press enter. Then press enter. Then on the fourth quadrant, I repeat the same command, circle. I put coordinate 35, negative 35. 35, negative 35. Press enter. Then press enter once again. Okay, next I want to connect these two objects, this circle, by create an arc over here. Okay, by using the fillet command, press enter. I click radius. To specify the radius, I put 22. Press enter. Then I simply click multiple because I want to create multiple arc here, here, here and here. Okay, by click the first object, then second object, then the rest. You just click the two objects to connect by using an arc. Okay, then press enter. Lastly, I want to trim this circle by using the trim command. Press enter twice. Then simply you can click to the circle, to the part of the circle that you want to trim. Okay, then press enter. Okay, done with our drafting. Now I want to label the center line or center mark. Okay, you can go to the annotate tab. You can see over here center mark. So simply I just click this circle, so you can see the center mark. I want to magnify this center mark, so by using the MO command, I can open the properties tools table. So I click to this center mark. Then over here you can see on the geometry the left extension, right extension, top extension and bottom extension. So I change to 20 or 30. I change to 30, so you can see the extension. So the rest I put the 30. Okay, 30. This is also 30, and bottom extension also 30. Okay, so I click. Okay, next I want to adjust the line type scale. So over here you can see the current scale is 1, so I change to 0.5. Okay, so now done with our center mark. Okay, next I want to label the dimension. So by using the dim style command, I want to set the dimension setting. I need to create the new setting, so I name it as drafting 3. Then I click continue. Over here you can see on the symbol and arrows tab, for the arrow side I put 4. Okay, next go to the text tab. Text height I put 4. For the text alignment, choose ISO standard. Then on the primary unit text, the precision I set to 1 decimal place. Then decimal separator, I select the period. Then just click OK. Okay, ensure you are on drafting 3 setting. Then set current, click set current, then click close. Okay, so now by using the dim radius command, press enter, click to this circle. Okay, then you can label the dimension like this. So the first dimension, then this arc. Okay, so I put over here. So this arc, then this circle I put over here. Okay, alright, so okay, done with our drafting. Okay, you can see, alright, okay, I put the center mark over here. Okay, you can see on the right hand side of your screen, you can see this zoom extension button. Just simply click this button. Then by press the Ctrl P, or by using the plot command, you can go over here on the printer and plotter. You can set to DWG to PDF. Paper size, I prefer to use 297-210 A4 size. Then I choose extend, tick center the plot. Then I choose landscape, then just click preview to preview the drafting. Okay, so the last step, just click to the plot icon over here, then you can change to PDF. Alright, so thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy and you learn a new thing from my video about drawing by using coordinate system in AutoCAD. So keep follow my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and tutorial. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.